Have you ever wondered what blockchain is? Well, you're not alone. This buzzword is often thrown around, yet few truly understand its intricacies. Blockchain is a complex technology, a revolutionary one might say. But fear not, we're here to break it down into simple, digestible terms. We'll strip away the jargon and the tech speak and lay it bare in a way that's easy to grasp. So buckle up as we delve into the world of blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger, similar to the one your bank uses to record your transactions. But instead of being stored in a single location, such as your bank's server, this ledger is spread across thousands, if not millions, of computers worldwide. This is the core concept of a blockchain. Now you might wonder why we'd want a ledger like this. Well, because it's decentralized, it's incredibly secure. Each of these computers, or nodes, maintains a copy of the entire blockchain. If one node is compromised, the others remain unaffected, ensuring the integrity of the data. It's like having countless backup copies of your important documents, each stored in a different, secure location. To understand how this works, think of the blockchain as a book of records. Each time a transaction occurs, it's like writing a new line in this book. But instead of being written in one place, this line is simultaneously written in every copy of the book across the globe. This is called a block, and these blocks are linked together in a chain, hence the term blockchain. But it's not just about creating blocks. These blocks are also verified by the network of computers. Each new block must be agreed upon by a majority of the nodes. This consensus mechanism ensures that only legitimate transactions are recorded. It's like having a team of auditors constantly checking and double-checking every entry. Moreover, once a block is added to the blockchain, it's virtually impossible to alter or delete. This immutability adds another layer of security, making the blockchain resistant to fraud and tampering. So, in essence, the blockchain is a continuously growing list of records, secured and verified by a network of computers spread across the globe. It's a system that's built on transparency, security, and decentralization. It's not controlled by any single entity, making it resistant to manipulation and corruption. In short, the blockchain is like a public, decentralized, and secure digital ledger. Now, let's take a closer look at the blocks in the blockchain. Just as the name suggests, a blockchain is quite literally a chain of blocks. But what exactly are these blocks, and what do they contain? In essence, each block is like a page in a ledger. Instead of ink and paper, however, these pages are formed with lines of code. Each block contains data about multiple transactions. It's as though you have a ledger page that notes down the details of several transactions. Each time, money changes hands. These transactions could be anything from someone buying a morning coffee with Bitcoin to a major corporation purchasing a large quantity of goods using a proprietary blockchain. Now, imagine a ledger that never gets filled up. A ledger that keeps growing with every new transaction. That's essentially what a blockchain is. Each block or page is added to the chain in a linear, chronological order, creating a permanent, unalterable record of transactions. The link between each block is formed by a unique code called a hash. This hash is a bit like a fingerprint. It's unique to each block and is created by a mathematical algorithm from the block's transaction data. The hash of the previous block is included in the creation of the new block, effectively linking the two together. This process repeats with every new block, forming a chain of blocks, hence the term blockchain. This chain is incredibly secure. If someone attempts to alter a transaction in a block, the hash of that block changes. But remember, the hash of each block is included in the next block, so a change in one hash would affect the entire chain. This makes it nearly impossible to tamper with. So in summary, each block in a blockchain is like a digital page in a ledger. It records data about multiple transactions and is securely linked to the blocks before and after it, creating a permanent and tamper-proof record of transactions. Think of the blockchain as a chain of digital pages, each recording a list of transactions. But what makes blockchain so special? Well, the answer lies in one word: decentralization. You see, in traditional systems, you have a central authority, like a bank or government, that validates and records all transactions. But with blockchain, there's no central authority. Instead, the control is spread across a network of computers or nodes, each holding a copy of the entire blockchain. Now imagine you're working on a group project. If only one person had the master copy, they could easily change it to their advantage. But if everyone in the group had a copy of the work, it would be impossible for one person to cheat. That's how blockchain works. Everyone on the network has access to the entire blockchain, making it impossible for anyone to falsify a transaction. This decentralization makes blockchain incredibly secure. Each node on the network independently verifies and records transactions. So, if anyone tries to alter a transaction, it would be immediately spotted and rejected by the rest of the network. But it's not just about security, it's also about transparency. With everyone on the network having a copy of the blockchain, all transactions are open for everyone to see. This transparency ensures accountability and trust among the users. And let's not forget about the speed and efficiency. Without a central authority slowing things down, transactions can be processed much quicker. Plus, it reduces the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and further increasing efficiency. So, you see, the beauty of blockchain is in the power of decentralization. It's this decentralization that ensures security, transparency, and efficiency. It's like having a group project where everyone has a copy of the work, making it impossible for anyone to cheat or alter the work without everyone else knowing. So, the power of blockchain lies in its decentralization, making it secure and transparent. You might be thinking, how is blockchain used in real life? Well, let's dive into that. The most well-known application of blockchain is cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin. These digital currencies use blockchain to ensure secure and transparent transactions. But it doesn't stop there. Another example is smart contracts. These are computer programs that facilitate, verify, or enforce the negotiation or performance of a contract. With blockchain, these contracts become self-executing, making them more secure and efficient. And there's more. Ever heard of supply chain tracking? Blockchain can provide a transparent and immutable record of product movement from source to consumer. This means we can know exactly where our food comes from or how our clothes are made, promoting ethical business practices. In healthcare, blockchain can secure patient data, ensuring privacy and accessibility. It can even help in voting systems, making them tamper-proof and transparent. As you see, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize many industries. So there you have it, a simple explanation of what blockchain is. We've unraveled the mystery of blocks and chains, understood the power of decentralization, and seen how it impacts our real-world scenarios. If you're as intrigued by this tech marvel as we are, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We constantly strive to demystify the complex world of technology for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.